On today's body cam, we're checking out shoplifting woman makes the worst possible decision after being caught red-handed.
I'm not gonna let you run away.
I'm not gonna run away.
Okay.
I'm not gonna run away.
Okay. I'm not gonna run away. One more chance.
I'm not gonna run away from you, officer. I'm not. Don't do this. I'm not. I'm done.
On July 19th, 2024, at approximately 6:30 p.m., Oklahoma City police officer Brandon Cobb was conducting a traffic stop near Northwest 122nd Street and North Rockwell Avenue when Homeland Grocery Store employees reported that a woman had allegedly left the store without paying for merchandise. Officer Cobb immediately contacted the 58-year-old woman, named Joy, as she walked through the parking lot, beginning what was supposed to be a routine shoplifting investigation.
What I'm most concerned about, if you can show me that you have insurance, I'll cut you loose, no problem. But I will advise you. I'll be right back. You go ahead and go.
Okay. Wait, hold on. Did my guy get off?
I'll advise you. I'll cut you loose, no problem. But I will advise you.
Yeah, you free to go, man.
I'll be right back. You go ahead and go.
Go ahead and go. Let my guy go, man. You better get out of there, boy.
Hey, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
You need to come with me real quick. Go ahead and stop for me for a second. Tell me what's going on.
Nothing. Nobody said something.
Nothing. Go ahead and turn around for me.
No, sir.
No, yeah.
Why are you stopping me? Why are you stopping me, sir?
Ma'am?
Why are you stopping me?
Well, because people are saying that you stole all this product, so I need to get to the bottom of it.
Anything.
Ma'am, there's no bags. Ma'am, I'm going to advise you one more time. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back so we can have a conversation.
Okay.
If not, I'm going to have to force you to. Okay?
Please go on.
Okay.
I haven't done anything.
Okay, go ahead.
You better act right. You better act right.
Put your purse down.
Actually, my receipt.
Okay. Well, I'll take a look at it in a second. For now, put your purse down. I'm not going to let you run away.
I'm not going to run away from you.
All right,
I'm not going to run away from you.
Okay. Let me have your other hand.
I'm not going to run away from you.
One more chance.
I'm not going to run away from you.
Uh-oh.
Don't do this. I'm not.
Gonna have to get you together.
I'm done.
Gonna have to. Oh, dented up the truck. Oh boy.
I'm calling the police. I'm going to go. I'm not going to run away. Yes.
Ma'am, nobody's ready. I'm going to tell you.
Oh boy. Ay. Oh!
I was trying not to sit on the ground. Actually, roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Just having closed out my traffic stop. There'll be another one in the same area for a shoplifter. In a second.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. There you go.
That black car, is he waiting on her over there? He's probably the one she was running.
Okay. We're going to walk over to my car, and we're not going to act a fool. Do you understand? Let's go. This way.
That's a riot ticket. I'm still waiting on her. I bet. I'm not sure.
No, that black car is my traffic stop. Where's my magazines at?
You need to pick them up. Dad, where'd you put his
Let me have them, please.
My gun right here. And your glasses.
Thank you for being in the parking lot at the right time.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. All right, let's go.
Yo, y'all remember that one story a while ago? Well, if you new here, whatever, but y'all remember when there was a case that happened in Florida, and somebody picked something up. I can't remember. It was something of the officers, and somebody picked something up, and they was doing like some shoplifting, and he picked up what was it? I think it was the camera, maybe he picked up the camera or something. And he was like, if you ever touch my stuff again, it was crazy. So like this video right here reminded me of that when this guy was like, wait, where's my magazines? And then he handed, but you know, this guy, he an old timer, nice, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that or whatever. But yo, if y'all remember that video, that was a while back, man. That was a minute ago. But yeah, it was something shoplifting, and I think the guy picked up the camera, and they ran after the shoplifter, so he didn't have his camera. And he like, wait, hold on, who got my stuff? And the guy ended up having it, the civilian.
This way. Yep. Get in the car. Get in the car.
I see your pictures.
Yeah, well, you tried to bite me, so shut up.
I never tried to bite you. I would never do that.
Thank you for being in the right spot at the right time. I'm so sick of being running out the door.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You got it?
Yep.
Okay. I get ready to go.
You got her? You got her?
Yeah, in there.
All right.
She yelled.
Let's get the basket. Let's go inside. Let's start getting the price and move on.
Officers alleged that Joy refused repeated commands to place her hands behind her back and attempted to pull away as they tried to detain her. During the struggle, police say she resisted arrest, attempted to bite Officer Cobb, and had to be taken to the ground before she was finally handcuffed. Officers then began collecting witness statements and documenting what had occurred.
Let's get a statement about what you witnessed out there with the use of force. So what did you see?
The officer tried to detain her and she resisted arrest.
Okay, are you the one that flagged them down?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
all right. So
well, another customer also was yelling from here to get his attention, but I was following her.
you followed her out there?
Yeah, I was trying to follow her, and then he intercepted when she got to that side.
So what did you see? Like, did you just grab onto her, or like what?
Yeah, well, I think he grabbed the basket, and then she wanted to get
turned away
away,
from him.
and then he grabbed her, and she resisted and resisted.
Okay, what was she doing?
Fighting him, just like struggled or
Was
resisted.
she like doing that, or was she like
Yeah, she was
throwing her
doing anything she
hands,
could
or-
to stay out of his arms. Yeah, she was pulling her arms away, doing anything she could, and then she'd act like she was going to fall. Oh, I can't breathe. But she was definitely resistant.
Was she holding on to anything out there?
No,
or what?
yeah, they bumped into that. There was a black truck. It's not there now.
Okay.
But they bumped into it several times, and she kept fighting him and fighting. I called 911. I said I thought he needed backup, but I guess he had someone coming in.
Which is crazy because we seen that black truck take off, right? A couple of clips ago, and shoot, he don't know that. They was just dinging up his truck, man. Bing, 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 bing. Yo, hey, I would have been like, wait, what? Oh nah, I gotta look. Do I got damage on my car? Did y'all chip some paint? What y'all do? You know, because they was booming into that truck, man.
Anyway, but
Oh yeah, there's much less
I
around
called
here.
and I said, if this officer needs help, they're on the ground wrestling because she resisted and he was taking her down
I gotcha.
because she was a fighter.
Witnesses told investigators they observed Joy actively resisting Officer Cobb's attempts to detain her outside the store. According to police, approximately $360 worth of merchandise was recovered, and multiple charges were requested.
I was over here conducting a traffic stop. Heard people start yelling. I came over here to check it out, and then I saw a lady walking up towards me with a basket. I noted in the basket there was no bags, like had you gone through the scanner.
Yeah.
Everybody, people from Homeland, I noted that she worked for Homeland. I saw her shirt, uniform. She said that lady didn't pay for anything. So I said, okay, ma'am, I'm gonna have to detain you. I'm gonna have to talk to you. She's like, I paid for everything. I have the receipt, and I was like, that's fine. I'll look at the receipt in a minute. For right now, I just need to talk to you. And I grabbed onto her wrist because she looked like she was gonna run. I had her elbow in this manner.
And then she wasn't acting right, so you had to get her together. Come on, get to the point, man. Nah, I'm just playing. You know, you got to be more professional and do the rundown or whatever, you know.
Trying to pull her hand behind her back. She kept trying to twist the other way. I didn't really have anything to like push her up against to like maintain control of her. So we're just kind of standing there like that for a second. I couldn't get to my radio to kill that stop. Both of my hands were tied up at the time. So she tried to pull away from me and she tried to like run that way. I maintained control of her and I pushed her up against the truck. I was behind her. I was holding her arms behind the truck. This arm got loose. It was flapping around. I was trying to grab this wrist. I felt her head come this way and like lunge in my arm. I saw her head come this way. I felt her teeth brush against my arm. I said, "Don't bite me." And then I wrapped my arm, this arm, around her right arm and a half Nelson type thing. And I put my hand on top of the back of her head to push her head away from this arm so I can try to get this arm in control. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You with me?
Yeah.
From there, I can
dumb it down a little bit. You can put here some super detail.
Yeah. Sorry. So I tried to get her arms back under there. Like I said, she tried to bite me. And then
see, because that's how he's gonna write it up, like that, you know, super detailed stuff like that. You know, it was the same thing in corrections. You know, when you got a use of force, you know, you know, you used your right hand to grab their left hand and guide them to the floor and yada yada. When really you just grabbed them, boom, flipped them, boom, and got them together. You know, but yeah, he's being a little bit too. The supervisor just wants to brief like something simple, like, all right, what happened? You know, just dumb it down, you know, so that way he could be like, okay, well, all right, I know what type of report is going to be coming.
She pushed away from me and tried to turn her whole body away and run. I grabbed her by the front in a cable grip, picked her up, went down with her, and then from there I grabbed her head, rolled her over. I had one arm like this, and I was saying, "Give me your other arm." While she was doing that, she was flinging the other arm around, hitting me on my pants, hitting me on my leg. Right?
Okay, so she was hitting your leg.
Yeah, she was like, and then at one point it felt like she was like grabbing my pants.
So hitting your leg. And then
He must be new.
Grabbed your pants.
Yeah.
Okay, so just straight up for the elements. Like she was doing that. Did she shove you away at one point?
Yeah, I remember being shoved away, but honestly, I don't remember at what point. I'm gonna have to review my body camera.
Okay.
She while I was holding one arm, she was trying to use her other hand to push my hand off of her to get me to let go.
As officers continued their investigation and gathered statements from witnesses, Joy remained in custody. A short time later, she began telling officers she was having difficulty breathing.
It's a lie. It's not a lie. Oh, God, help me.
We got medical coming.
Breathe.
Did you take anything today?
I can't breathe.
They're responding from expressway.
Oh, I can't.
Hey, we got medical coming. What will make you feel better? Sitting up?
Oh.
You don't know? Would you rather just stay laying right there?
I need some go sometime.
Hey, Miss Joy. Miss Joy. What's going to make you feel better? Is it sitting up? What? Miss Joy.
I'll wait till they get here. I got a photograph her.
Okay. That doesn't look very comfortable, Miss Joy. You want to sit up?
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Yeah, let's sit up. Watch your leg right there.
Everything's easy.
Huh?
Everything's easy. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Can you hold yourself up?
No, she's actively resisting against the officer. Like she wants to flop around like a fish.
You take anything today, Miss Joy?
I'm dying.
Well, why are you dying? Did you take something? What?
Oh, God.
What? Miss Joy, you gotta gotta help me help you.
Oh God. I see.
There you go.
Oh God. Help me. Help me.
That's the fire department right there.
Please help me.
What do you want? What's gonna make you feel better?
Oh God.
Following her evaluation at the hospital, Joy was medically cleared and returned to police custody. Officers then transported her to the Oklahoma County Detention Center, where the booking process continued.
You don't want to walk up against those. They're sharp and spiny. Go to the other side of the vehicle. Stand right here against the vehicle. I'm going to unlock the door. Okay. All right, take a seat. Wash your feet. I appreciate it, man. Her bra and stuff is
In the purse.
perfect.
In one of the pockets.
Joy was ultimately charged with shoplifting, resisting an officer, interfering with an officer, assault and battery on a police officer, and obstructing an officer. Following her arrest, investigators submitted body camera footage, witness statements, and recovered evidence as the case moved forward through the Oklahoma court system.